A disturbing health trend is emerging out of Clarendon this evening. Health officials say more than 80% of people dying at the Mapen Hospital are men. Now they're calling for urgent attention to what's being described as a silent crisis.
If you go to Mapen Hospital right now and you go to the male medical ward, it is packed to capacity. The number of persons dying fastest in the hospital are the men. Men, take your health seriously. Women, you have a duty likewise. Run them out the house and take them with you to get their health check. Is that all right? I will not share you the statistic of the number of men just died in Mapen Hospital last month alone.
Health officials are urging men to get regular checkups and act early when symptoms appear.
As healthcare worker, the Ministry of Health push the matter of taking responsibility and to know your numbers, your basic non-communicable diseases. Know what is happening with you, whether your blood pressure up there, so your cholesterol up there, so are you having heart issues, are you diabetic? Do something about it.